Asibingelela kumthandi nomlandeli webhola eNingizimu Afrika. Igama lami nguSim from Mbobela Fanatics. Welcome bafowethu, it's another show or it's another episode la khona sizobe sikhuluma khona ngomgqiqo weBafana Bafana laphana ku-2026 FIFA World Cup edlala laphana eMexico, America naseCanada. Izolo-ke bafowethu i-World Cup iqalile, opening game, but before ngiye lapho ngicela ukubongela bonke again abalandeli beBafana Bafana bakwazi ukuthi baqokwe kwaba abalandeli bamathimu onke oyi-16 e-PSL. So siyababongela, we wish them all the best kokwenzekile even in future, baqhubeke bayiphathe kahle, baqhubeke basupport amaqembu abo. Phambi ukubonga nokujabula kakhulu for our local or our provincial representative, ngikhuluma laphana ngo-president, the first president Thusi. Siyabonga mfowethu la ukhona, sethemba ukuthi konke kuhamba kahle. We've been receiving good news from you, where you've been sharing information, what's happening there in Mexico. We are delighted, looking forward when you come back so that we can rejoice this journey of yours together. World Cup iqalile izolo, not the good results for abafana basekhaya, ngikhuluma ngeNingizimu Afrika, baguqile abafana ngo-2-0. Kuningi okusekushiwo, kuningi osekwenzekile, kuningi osekushiwo, kuningi okwakade kushiwo futhi before, because we must go back to squad selection. I think from good squad selection a lot was said, man. Ngikhumbula kukhulunywa about certain players that were supposed to be picked or to be chosen to go and represent Bafana Bafana at the bigger stage, which is the World Cup. Unfortunately, abanye abafowethu, they were not chosen. Ngikhuluma laphana abo Brendan Peterson, one of the best goalkeepers that we have in the country. Bakhaleleke nabalandeli bamanye amaqembu bekhala ngabadlali babo. Kodwa-ke, that being said, I think Coach Hugo Bros, in my view, in my opinion, I think he chosen good players. I might say there were players that I was not happy when they were selected, but as you know, it's the same like when your team, your local team, has chosen a certain player to be on the starting 11. You must support that team because your name is a supporter, your title is a supporter. So that was it. So a lot was said during the squad selection, but then it did happen. Also, there were a lot of criticism towards ISAFA and Bafana Bafana for that event that happened in Union Buildings. Many people said many things, but as for me, I think for those 5 players who were not selected and then they had to attend the event at Union Building, some people said a lot of things, but for me, I think I would go with what Upa Gata once said in one of the podcasts when he said, we must take this thing or that event that happened there, like the beauty pageant. When they are models at the stage, you don't blame the models that were not chosen or that didn't become the princess to say why were they called in that stage or in that podium to be present when the princess, the actual princess of the event was being chosen or erected. Coming to the game yesterday, we approached the game like cowards. It's for me, I would say that's the right way. Forgive me if maybe I'm being harsh, but we were cowards. And this cowardness started from the selection. Defending, when you are playing up against the top level teams, like in the World Cup, yes, you need the proper top defense. But the way we approached the tournament from the squad selection, one might say we were cowards, but it actually shown when many defenders were selected, few midfielders, and now look now, we lost 2 midfielders yesterday. So what do you call that? I don't know. But that being said, the game yesterday, it was hard. We were nowhere to be found. We were missing in action in that match. Things were not right. From the system, we've never played the system even before. We've never played that system before. We've never seen Coach Hugo Bros going with 2 strikers, leader strikers. We've never seen that. But in the World Cup, things changed. But yes, I might blame the coach. as well, because he's the one who selected. He's the lead of the team. He's the tactician. He's the one who chose the first 11, I believe, or the one with the final say on the first 11. And you can see, but I had to be reminded of one of my brothers, Uvu Simchari, when he said, it was during the AFCON, when he said that game that we played, and then we were knocked out in the knockout stages, AFCON, he clearly said to me that Coach Hugo Broos shown in that tournament that umadala uyikhehla, and I sure, judging by what the type of a tactician he became on the day. So it's the same like yesterday. I mean, when you look at the starting 11, you actually don't see what the coach was trying to do. Okay, let's take it back to most of the squad players. They are coming from Mamelodi Sundowns. They are coming from Orlando Pirates. I mean, even from their clubs, they are not used to that system that was played yesterday. So it was a new thing altogether, and then we had to be poor like we were yesterday. I actually don't think we might get a point if we can continue with that system that we played yesterday. I don't think we might get a point. It was a terrible selection for me. It was a terrible selection, but we shall see, because we were talking about a lot of things today, like this squad selection from Coach Hugo Broos. But what I was saying, or what I was telling the people at work, was that he's the one who took us to the World Cup. Maybe it's fair that we give him the chance to give us what he has. Because judging by what other people are saying, other people are complaining that he must be fired already. But I don't think that's the right decision, especially for the big stage or the big tournament that we are at the moment. So it's hard, but we still have to play Serbia. No, not Serbia. We still have to play a Czech Republic, and we still have to play Korea. I don't know, man. Because when I'm looking at the two teams that are left, it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be very, very hard. But I also believe if Bafana can play the type of football that they know, or the type of football that they are capable, or that has taken them to where they are, I believe they can get some, maybe one win in those two games, because I definitely believe they can be a surprise package for the European team. I'm talking about Czech Republic. They might surprise them, but it will all depend as to how Coach Hugo Broos is selecting his players. If he's gonna continue selecting the very, very defensive first 11 like he did yesterday, I don't think we can get a point. No goal yesterday. We were poor, red cards. So it's a mess. It's a mess. But I still have hope. I still have hope that Bafana can still overcome the cloud that took them down yesterday. I still believe Bafana can still get maybe a win in those two games. Definitely the Europeans, I think we can, if we play to our strengths. I believe that we can. Bombela Fanatics, Usimba Fetu. Thanks to all the supporters of this page for subscribing and following. Santana Bafetu, keep subscribing, keep following. If you see this video for the very first time, please subscribe to our channel and wish Bafana, support Bafana, and love your country. We are one. Sisonke Bafetu.